These coconut chocolate scones will satisfy your sweet tooth. Let's see how they're made. To make these scones, you will need flour, coconut milk, shredded oil, coconut oil, chocolate chips, vanilla extract, baking powder, salt, sugar, and a little bit of flour to dust. In a large bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, and shredded coconut. Mix everything together. Now add the coconut oil and canola or olive oil and mix everything together. Mix together and add your vanilla extract. Now gradually add your coconut milk and mix everything together. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Gently fold the chocolate chips into your mixture. The list of ingredients and quantities will be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Now transfer the dough onto a floured cutting board. Dust it with more flour and knead the dough. Knead it until it takes a shape of a disc or a ball. Have your grease cookie sheet ready. Flatten the ball with your hands, make it into a disc. The thickness of your dough should be about 3/4 inches. Take a knife and cut into triangles. This is how the thickness should be for the scones. Line them up on a baking sheet. Make sure your oven is preheated. Bake your scones until they are golden brown from the bottom and top. They should be golden brown, flaky, and fluffy at the same time. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.